Yo, what up? It's Mike again. Okay, here is the rubber band art number 2. Okay, so this is gonna be like a difficult one, but this is the easiest one for me. You need 2 rubber bands for this one. First, you take this one, like the star, but do not make the star. Then you take this one and go under it till you got a cross. Notice you can't take it out. It's a rubber band trick. Then I use this finger. Then you twist, take this finger, and then take this one out and put it in the thumb and release. Magic! It's fun and easy to do. You can prank your friend. Well, you might show your tricks to your friends and show it off. I'm going to do it fast mode. Holla! I'll make more videos soon. Dance prank, dance prank. Whoa! Help me. Help me. I'll show another demonstration. If you guys forgot the star, keep watching. Watch the star video that I made earlier today. So, bye.